Howdy guys, right here. Just decided to show you my survivals kit in case coronavirus hits. So here we have 4 beautiful bottles of wine, some rum, some green ginger wine, Jameson's whiskey, some gin, Bombay Sapphire, some food for the cats, Bundaberg ginger beer, Meal Mates rice bran, creamy mushroom continental cup of soup, Easter eggs from Lindor, 2 cakes of Whittaker's creamy caramel, new caramel mix, a packet of sorbent, thick and large, some chips, 8 tins of tuna, Purex toilet paper, grapes from my auntie, 2 cans of Pam's dog food, iodized salt, 2 cans of Wattie's creamy butter chicken. Ooh, yum, that's such good shit. 2 packets of paracetamol, big jar of mayonnaise, big jar of peanut butter, some condensed milk, and one of about 100 beautiful homegrown tomatoes. Woohoo! We are going to survive coronavirus.